Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. First and foremost, man, I really want to say that I appreciate everybody, liking, subscribing my videos, and watching all my videos and all of that stuff. This definitely is something we've always wanted to do, but we've never really, put the effort into actually doing it. And now I got a really good guy that him and I met while working at LMR, and he's awesome dude, man, and he's taking care of all of the media stuff, and he's doing really well. So now we have the time and we have the ability to be able to put those videos out for you guys and everything. So with that being said, we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna keep going with it. We're gonna do it more like a vlog style. Yeah, we'll do build per build kind of thing, but a lot of it is just kind of like what goes in and day out at all the welds. So again, I appreciate everybody. I really do. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing and watching the vids. So here is what's going on today. Yeah, we've kind of missed the deadline for the Arizona car, which is Randy Robles' car, and I'm a little disappointed at that. But at the end of the day, I know that things are going to be done right. I know the motor's going to be very well done and going to support just about everything we could throw at it. So with that being said, we're on our way now to HSquared Racing to go ahead and pretty much put the long block together, get the cams and everything in it, get it all degreed since we're doing the lockouts, and pretty much finalize the assembly of the long block so we can bring it back and start thrashing to put it all together. We had plans and intentions of going to Arizona with it this weekend, but I'm not going to push it. I'm not going to try to thrash on it or anything like that. This is a high build, like a highly expensive motor. It's a big deal, and we really want to go fast with this car, so we're not going to rush it, but we are going to get it done. Once we get it done, we're going to go ahead and go from after all the assembly here, we're going to dyno it. I'm going to try to dyno it on the hub dyno so we can see what it makes, make sure converter's working and all of that stuff. So, but that's just wishful thinking right now. If I could do it on the hub dyno, great. If not, back at MRL with Brian and everybody over there. So I love dynoing over there. Yeah, that's where we're at, and I'm going to take y'all through and kind of show y'all the assembly of the engine, what we did with it. We'll give you a breakdown of everything, and just pretty much what we got going on with it. Huh?
You got the double roller?
Yeah. You know I'm mad at you?
Why are you mad at me?
Because you're working on this piece of shit LS.
Well, it's because yours are dumb. Piece of shit.
This is a short block this morning. Yeah? See, he's the real brains behind it. Not that guy.
That's the same thing Tony Myers did.
They're onto something.
Bro, this block, it looks like it's like from the 1980s, bro.
Doesn't look like shit.
What rod is this, bro?
Dude, that's the Carrillo Yates Roush rod.
The Yates Roush rod.
Yeah, you got one of the last two in stock at Carrillo.
Are the heads done, Bo?
I need those double roller gears.
Huh?
Bring me the gears real quick. You got them here, right?
I brought everything.
Bring the gears.
I expect to have a long block done with oil pressure in it. So
Wait.
yeah, that's where this goes. That's like the reluctor for it.
Oh. The reluctors are always in the back on these? They are, aren't they? Okay. Makes sense.
Sure.
So don't put anything here because the heads, we're putting the fuel hoops in. That's what these are for. Just set it all right over there. rings for?
Oh, that was your jock rings. I was joking.
Jesus Christ, bro, you're gonna pop the seals out of that bitch.
Hell yeah.
Why are we doing this, bro?
Because the block is from the 70s.
You found this in the Titanic?
Found this in the Titanic. There's the sink over there in the corner by the welder. Okay. If you want.
Then I'll pick up those parts tomorrow. I won't bring it with me tomorrow. This assembly should go pretty quick, huh? After we balance the crank?
You have the rings, balance the crank.
Or if we get the rings.
Carrots and celery. Yeah, my wife has lost like 40 pounds. I'm over here gaining weight.
You finding it?
Yeah.
Coach. Angel finally made an appearance in the shop and on the YouTube channel. We're finally putting Randy shit together. What you think? When's your car gonna be ready?
Never.
My bad, my bad. Está haciendo no sé cuánto. Now we gotta put this motor in, Bob.
Yeah. What? Ready?
I'm ready, I'm waiting for
Bolts
you.
are tight?
Bolts are tight, Loctite and everything. And that fresh coating. Can't get better than that than a fresh coat.
Oh, I like this song.
Yeah, show me your dance, show me your dance move. Oh, you gotta do the ditty on camera though.
The ditty?
Yeah, you gotta do, you show him the ditty. Show
No,
him the
no,
ditty.
you can't do the ditty because you ain't got no ditty song.
Oh, well, that's the thing. You can't put a ditty song. It's for YouTube.
Yeah, it can. I just call him up and be like, "Hey, bro, I'm about to put that
That old thing. I recently cleaned the engine bay. Thing was filthy. Thankfully, you know, I had about 3 hours to waste. Pero, why not? So yeah, finna just throw this in there. Gonna grab it from both ends and throw it. headers are already on, so we don't gotta worry about that. We just gotta run the radiator, put the intercooler back on it, put the turbos on, tranny, any miscellaneous stuff that is missing. That's pretty much it. Just get it all put back together. We finally got the trans in. What else do we gotta do?
Just finalize a little bit on the new fab parts, and then we run into a few little hiccups with the new parts that we're putting in now. Some clearancing issues, but should be pretty easily fixed. And once we do that, we're literally waiting on our new valve covers and new billet intake.
What kind of intake is it?
You'll just have to wait and see.
So we put in Randy's transmission last night. And Aldo woke up early and got the fuel cell drawn out. That's what I'm about to do. I already got the side plates cut out. I'm finna just do the main bend and the bottom plate. So. Popcorn as well, bro.
Where?
All down the thing. I'm cansado.
Oh.
Oh my god, I made a mess. Oh my god.
Smooth.
I should definitely call her.
Oh yeah. Anyways.
Anyway, it's a little slimy, you know.
The whole reason we're here right now. You can see we got the fuel cell in, looking real fine. Got those like dash 10s.
That's 12s, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Snap.
Yeah, dash 12s, because I made it, obviously, you know.
Right.
I should know, even though I be forgetting all the time about the shit that I make. But yeah.
Just like you forget that that's a trans line.
Shut up. I knew it was a trans line. I just didn't think there was any trans fluid in it. That's the thing. But yeah, we just got the fuel cell done. What's today? Wednesday? Probably got it done Tuesday and he installed it yesterday. Right?
Yeah.
No, got it done Monday and installed it Tuesday because I still had to drill the holes and he had to do the whatever the fuck that's called. I forgot what it's called, the sump.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, these popcorn welds or whatever, I could have done better, but just pass me the MIG machine and
For sure.
shit, for sure. But yeah, I'm pretty soon I'm out the fuel pump, the new one, and then tomorrow the fuel lines should be here. And we got another little extra thing for this thing, you know. I ain't gonna say too much because I don't want people to know until they come out. I got the whole kit on. I just finished running oil lines from the turbos, and I just gotta do the plumbing. Start rewiring everything that we disconnected. And yeah, we should be really ready to fire it up by this weekend. Hey, this powder coating though.
Yeah.
You know, I'm putting my handprints all over it. That shit.
Yeah, it's about to not be good. You keep doing that. But...
Shut up, stupid. But nah, it's good regardless. It would have prints, especially mine. They're gonna be like, damn, Mike Jones worked on it, you know?
Right.
But nah, that shit came out badass.
Yeah. Either way, we'll keep you guys updated on this. We got another video coming soon. We'll be getting all the fuel lines, getting this thing finished pretty much, get it started up, and maybe perhaps on the dyno.
And then shout out to everybody watching, for real. Y'all make all this fucking 10 times better for us. Cause I mean shit, half of the shit we do, nobody really gets to see the shit that we do. And now everybody gets to see all the crazy and pretty badass shit that we get to do.
And dumbass.
Yeah, we do some stupid shit, you know. I do some stupid shit myself, mostly. But hey, if you ever catch it on film, then
It's just
then
good
you know.
content.
Yeah, it's just good
good
content. And if you didn't, how you gonna know if it's real?
That's
I'm
right.
just saying.
On that note, we'll catch you guys next time.
Y'all be safe.